Lluc i Planiol. Es prepara Erika Rodríguez.
Tambourine, come and join the parranda. Hey! Carnaval del barrio, carnaval del barrio, carnaval del I don't know what you're cantando. Just make it up as you go. You're in Parisando. You can sing everything. Carla, whatever comes into your head, just so long as you sing.
My mom is Dominican, Cuban. My dad is from Chile. We are which means I'm Chile, Dominican, Cuban. But I always say I'm from Chile.
Super.